Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, your host, and I'm so happy that you are here with us today. This podcast helps you learn English in a fun and simple way, and also helps you grow in life.
And hi, everyone. I'm Julia, your co-host. We are excited because today's topic is really powerful. It can help you become better, stronger, and more successful in anything you want to do.
Yes, today we are talking about the powerful mindset for success. What does that mean? A mindset is how you think. It's the way your brain talks to you. And your mindset can help you succeed or stop you from trying.
Right. A powerful mindset gives you the courage to learn, to try new things, and to keep going even when things feel difficult. And everyone can build a powerful mindset, including you.
So, if you want success in school, in your job, in English learning, or in life, you must first train your mind to think the right way.
Stay with us, practice listening, and learn how to build a strong mindset that helps you grow every day.
Let's get started with today's topic, the powerful mindset for success. So, Julia, before we learn how to build a powerful mindset, let's explain something simple. What is a mindset?
Good idea. A mindset is the way you think about yourself and the world. It's like the voice inside your head that tells you what you can do and what you can't do.
Yes, your mindset can say, I can learn English. Or it can say, this is too hard for me. And what you believe becomes your reality.
There are two common types of mindset, a fixed mindset and a growth mindset.
A fixed mindset means people think they cannot change. For example, I'm not good at English, and I will never be good at English.
But a growth mindset is different. People with a growth mindset believe they can improve if they practice. They say, I'm not perfect now, but I can get better.
And that belief changes everything. When you believe you can grow, you keep learning. You keep trying.
Exactly. A powerful mindset is a growth mindset. It tells you, I can learn, I can grow, I can become successful.
So, your mindset is like the driver of your life. If the mindset is strong, you will move forward. If the mindset is weak, you will stop.
Great news! You can always choose and train your mindset, and we are here to help you do that.
Now, one of the most important parts of a powerful mindset is believing in yourself. When you believe in yourself, you feel, yes, I can do it.
But sometimes, people think they are not smart enough or strong enough. They feel afraid of making mistakes, and that stops them from trying.
Right. But here's a secret. Nobody is perfect when they start. Every successful person began as a beginner.
So start small, do little things every day, and when you finish something, even if it's small, say to yourself, good job, I'm getting better.
Self-belief grows step by step. When you speak a new English word, that's progress. When you learn a new phrase, that's success.
And remember, positive words matter. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, try saying, I can speak English better every day.
Your brain listens to your words. So talk to yourself like a friend, not like an enemy.
Believe this. You have power inside you. You just need to trust yourself and keep going.
Now, let's talk about something many people are afraid of: failure. We don't like failing. It feels bad, and we think it means we are not good enough.
But actually, failure is a teacher. When we fail, we learn what doesn't work. We find a better way. Failure helps us grow stronger and smarter.
Exactly. Every successful person in the world has failed many times. They didn't stop. They tried again and again.
Let's look at English learning. Maybe you pronounce a word wrong. Maybe someone doesn't understand you. That's okay. That's part of learning.
Instead of saying, I can't do it, you can say, I can't do it yet. That one small word yet shows you are still learning.
When you make a mistake, smile and try again. Every mistake is a step forward.
So don't be scared of failure. Be scared of not trying. Keep moving, keep improving, success will come. Let's talk about goals. Goals are the things you want to achieve. They show you the direction in life, like a map.
Yes, when you have a clear goal, you know where you want to go. It keeps you motivated because you have a purpose.
For example, maybe your goal is to speak English confidently. That's a great goal, but it's also a big goal.
So break it into smaller goals, like learn 5 new words every day, practice speaking for 10 minutes daily, watch 1 English video a day.
Small goals are easier, and when you finish them, you feel proud. That feeling gives you more motivation to continue.
Also, write your goals down. When you see your goals every day, your brain remembers them and pushes you to work.
And if you feel tired or lose motivation sometimes, that's normal. Just remind yourself why you started.
Yes, your goal is your why. Keep your goals clear, stay focused, and your success will come step by step.
Now, here's something very important. Your habits. Habits are the small things you do every day, even without thinking too much about them.
Good habits help you grow. Bad habits stop your progress. So, if you want success, you must build strong habits.
One powerful habit is consistency, doing something again and again, even when you don't feel like it.
Yes. For example, practicing English for just 10 minutes every day is much better than studying only 1 day for 2 hours.
Habits create results. When you read a little every day, you will improve. When you listen to English every day, your ears will get stronger.
Try to make learning a part of your daily routine. Morning, before sleep, during lunch. Choose a time that works for you and stay with it.
Success is not luck. Success is the result of your daily habits.
So build habits that support your dreams, and soon those habits will make you successful.
Now let's talk about the limits we put on ourselves. Many times, the biggest limits are not outside, they are inside our mind.
Yes. When we think, I can't do this or I'm not good enough, we are putting a wall in front of ourselves, a wall that stops us from growing.
Instead of saying, I will fail, try saying, I will try. Trying is always better than stopping yourself before you even start.
Be careful with negative people too. Some people don't believe in you. They might say it's too hard or you can't do that. Don't let their words become your truth.
Surround yourself with people who support you, help you, and want you to succeed. People who lift you up, not hold you down.
And remember, real growth happens outside your comfort zone. When something feels new or scary, that means you are growing.
Yes, remove those limits from your mind. Open the door to your possibilities. You can do more than you think. Now let's talk about mindset specifically for English learners. Learning a new language can feel difficult sometimes.
Yes, and many learners think, I will never speak English well or I make too many mistakes. but that's just a thought, not the truth.
A powerful mindset for learning English is to accept mistakes as part of learning. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps toward improvement.
Exactly. Every time you speak, read, or write, you are training your brain. Even small practice every day makes a big difference over time.
And always remember, speak with confidence, even if it's not perfect. Your mindset is, I am improving every day, and I can communicate in English.
Believe in yourself, be patient, and keep practicing. Your English will grow with your mindset.
Yes, a positive mindset is your strongest tool in learning English. Now, let's do a quick mini activity together. This will help you train your mindset for success. Are you ready, Julia?
I'm ready. Listeners, you can do it with us.
First, repeat these positive sentences out loud. I can learn new things every day. I believe in myself. I can overcome challenges.
Great. Now, think of one small goal you want to achieve today. It could be learning 5 new English words or practicing speaking for 10 minutes.
Write it down or say it out loud. This is your first step toward building a powerful mindset.
And every time you complete your small goal, give yourself a little cheer. Say, "Yes, I did it."
Remember, success starts with small actions. Your mindset grows when you practice these steps every day. As we come to the final part of today's episode, remember this. Success begins in your mind. Your thoughts, your beliefs, and your mindset shape your life.
Yes, you have the power to choose your mindset. You can choose to focus on growth, on learning, and on possibilities, not limits.
Every small step counts. Every effort you make, every time you practice, every time you try again after a mistake, it all adds up.
And don't compare yourself with others. Your journey is unique. Focus on your own growth, your own progress, and your own goals.
Keep believing in yourself. Stay consistent with your habits and never fear failure. Remember, a powerful mindset makes you unstoppable.
Yes, you can achieve anything if you train your mind to believe, to act, and to grow. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving every day.
And that's it for today's episode on the powerful mindset for success. Thank you so much for listening and spending this time with us.
We hope you feel inspired and ready to train your mind for success. Remember, your mindset is your superpower. Use it every day.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. It really helps us create more helpful content for English learners like you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new episode. We have many exciting topics coming your way.
Finally, take action today, repeat your positive sentences, set your small goals, and keep building that powerful mindset.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.